Puducherry. I belong to SP Robotics Puducherry. This is my expert level project, 4-legged transformer. Working model of my project. Components of my robot: lead shield, Arduino, Bluetooth board, motors, servo motors, wheels and batteries. Thank you for watching my video.